No flashy show today, but a super helpful tool in Siemens Process Simulate. The Cable Tray Creator. I start the tool and choose the parameters. Width and height of the cable tray, 400 millimeters wide in this example. Then I switch to the 3D window and simply click where the duct should run. If desired, it can be referenced to the layout. So with just a click, the tool creates exactly the cable tray you need. Finally, press Create. Done. For the next tray, I change the width to 200 millimeters and create it the same way. Place points in the 3D viewer. Create. Finished. After that, I add another cable tray, this time angled. Set the points, define the path, create, complete. After a few seconds, the 3D cable duct is available in the Process Simulate cell. Ideal for collision checking, layout coordination, and any other planning tasks. The takeaway: precise cable tray with just a few clicks, saving a lot of modeling time. Follow me on YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok so you don't miss new Process Simulate features.